Yeah, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in this group, guys. And coming to the present video, here we are going to see the faculty recruitment notification for the non-UGC NET candidates. Here eligibility is only the PG and the salary is 62,547 rupees per month. It is the consolidated, and this announcement came from the state university. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1 educator. So we will see one small announcement. The candidates who are waiting for the UGC NET Electronic Science complete course. So here from Feb 1st 2021 onwards, for the new batch, the course is going to start from the Unacademy. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. So here the different subscription plans are mentioned on the screen. You may take any one of the subscription plan based upon when you are planning to write the exam. And here my referral code is also mentioned, that is Ashwani K. Okay, if you want to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plans, then you may use my referral code. And of the video, it is Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekananda Technical University. So Bhilai. And here you can check down the online interview, and this notification came on Jan 25th, 2021. So applications are invited from candidates for appearing in online interview for the post of temporary faculty in various departments in the University Teaching Department of CSVTU. So Bhilai on monthly consolidated honorarium basis for the period of 6 months. And you may check down here the application fee through online mode. It is 3,000 rupees for general OBC category and 1,000 rupees for SC and ST. And coming to the name of the post and the department and the number of post and the essential qualification is mentioned here. So desirable means it is not the mandatory qualification. Okay. So assistant professor 3 posts are there in the Department of Biomedical Engineering and Bioinformatics, and Department of Energy and Environmental Engineering, Microelectronics and VLSI, Environmental and Water Resource Engineering, Structural Engineering and Urban Planning. Fine. So these are the vacancies, and here they mentioned the BTech as well as the MTech. That means the UG and PG in the concerned department they are asking. So there is no necessity of UGC NET exam qualification and all, and PhD is also the desirable qualification, not the essential one. And the maximum age limit is 60 years, and the consolidated emolument is 62,547 rupees per month. And the last date of filling online application form with fee and uploading documents is Feb 2nd, 2021. And what are the documents you have to upload is that certificates regarding the educational qualification and experience and caste, etc. in a single PDF. Okay, that means you have to bring out all your certificates in a single PDF, and that PDF you have to upload here. And application after the last date or incomplete application will not be entertained. And the application will accept only after the verification of a fee received. And application fee can be paid through the NEFT and other online modes in the below given account details. Okay, here I will show you the account details also. And for SC ST candidates, the caste certificate is required for the fee rebate. Okay, and coming to the account details are given here for NEFT and other online modes. Okay, account number and account name, number, bank name and branch name, IFSC code is given. So if you are having any doubt regarding the payment or also notification, you may send your query to this mail ID, recruitment@csvtu.ac.in. and whoever the shortlisted candidates are there, the date and time slot for the interview will be notified only in the university website. That means the selected candidates will be directly called for the interview. There is no written test also, and candidates are required to frequently browse the university website because for updates. The selected candidates are expected to join soon upon selection and bring them all original documents including the mark sheet, certificates with a photograph at the time of joining. So failing engagement can be withdrawn, and few terms and conditions are given here, so you may check down. So you have to submit the separate online applications form along with the PDF documents and online payment for each post or department applied for. That means if you want to apply for the 2 departments, then you have to pay the 2 times application fee, and application fee once paid it will not be refunded, and original documents will be cross verified at the time of joining. And the candidates who are serving in the government organizations, they have to bring the no objection certificate at the time of joining. Okay, so these are the different points are there, so you please check down. For your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Okay, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys, okay? And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans guys, that means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan, okay? So it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions, and all the best guys. Thank you very much.